Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel FORnSEC Solutions. In our last video, we explored StarKiller, a web-based post-exploitation tool for red teaming using PowerShell Empire. If you want to see advanced attacker techniques in action, check out the link in the description below. Today we will be exploring Wazuh's file integrity monitoring feature. I will be showing you how to set it up and how Wazuh detects file changes in real time for boosting security and compliance.
Okay, so let's dive right in. Here I have SSH both into my SIM server and into the Linux Ubuntu endpoint that we will be monitoring. Here in the SIM server, you have to make some changes in the Wazuh's configuration file. Open this configuration file right here, and in this you have to make sure that log all and log all JSON is enabled. Enabling this allows you to monitor all the changes happening in your network and in your endpoints. If it is disabled in use by default and after making changes in the configuration file, you also have to make sure that you restart the Wazuh manager service. Run this command. It might take a while. Okay, so now that my manager has restarted, you also have to make some changes on the configuration file of your Ubuntu endpoint itself. Open this configuration file, and in this you have to search for syscheck. Here, it must not be disabled, which means that it should be enabled. This syscheck basically scans your computer's specific directories for any changes that might be happening. Here you have to add this line right here. This will essentially allow me to monitor this specific directory. By enabling this check all, it will allow you to monitor all the changes for the files happening in this specific directory. And real time will allow Wazuh to generate alerts for every change that might be happening. As usual, if you make any changes in the configuration file, you have to also restart the agent. Run this command. This might also take a while. Okay, so now that my Wazuh agent service has restarted, let's go to a directory that we are supposed to monitor. This is the directory that we are supposed to monitor. Let's try making some changes here. We have created a test file here. Now let's see if an alert is generated in our SIM for this specific file addition. Here, let's see this alert. As you can see that we have generated an alert successfully for the addition of a file. Okay, so now that we have tested file addition, let's also try file modification. Let's go to the same directory and make some changes to the file. Here we have made changes to the original test file. Let's see if an alert is generated in our SIM. Refresh it again. And yes, here we have it. As you can see here, it says that file test.txt has been modified. Now that we have also tested file modification, let's finally test file deletion. In the same directory, let's try removing the file. We have removed the file from this directory. And back to our server. Yes, this alert specifically says that test.txt file has been deleted. Now we have successfully tested file addition, modification, as well as file deletion. Now what exactly is the use of this file integrity monitoring feature in Wazuh? It helps us detect malware that modifies system files, as well as it helps us in meeting the compliance requirements for various cybersecurity frameworks such as GDPR, HIPAA, HIPAA, and PCI DSS.
That was all about the file integrity monitoring feature of Wazuh. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity content. See you next time.